Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A24. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you in the tutorial will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings. So for that, just scroll in here from top of the screen and then you will find here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point General Management. In front of it you will find a gray icon with some white stuff to adjust in it. Now you need the first point, Language. And maybe you are having now lists here. Like in my case I have two choices here. And in case if your language is part of the list, just tap on the language, like Deutsch in my case here. Go on the blue button to apply and this language is now the language on the phone. Okay, let me change it back to English because I want to show you also what to do if your language is not here part of the list or in case the list doesn't exist. Just go here on the green plus symbol to add a language. Yeah, and now you have the chance to choose one of many languages. Okay, let's keep going on maybe in English here to follow the video better. And the second step, you can choose a local dialect. Let's take the dialect here maybe from India. Greetings, by the way. Go then on the most right one here, set as default. And now English with the dialect of India is now the language of your phone, or in case your language. Yeah? As you can see, pretty easy. I hope you succeed. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it. Some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.